Hi everyone, my name is Desiree. What I have for you today is a 10-minute meditation practice. We're going to focus on the breath, and we're also going to pay a little attention to a gratitude practice. So what you'll need for this class is just your favorite practice space, right? So it could be somewhere a bit more formal and put aside, or it could be pretty spontaneous and you can just take some time for yourself in your car in between running errands. So wherever you are, start to settle in your seat. You can also feel free to lie down on your back. Make sure you get all of your fidgets, all your wiggles out before you close your eyes. When you first close your eyes, just take in your external environment, the space that you're in. Hear any sounds or smells. Maybe even there's a breeze brushing on the skin. Right? Any sensations that arise here. Start to move away from your environment, right? And start to step into yourself. Step inside your body, your mind, and your heart. I want you to take a look around and just notice what's here with you. No need to dive in to what's there or any stories, but just simply be here amongst it all. Turn your attention onto your breath. That one thing that is constantly there with us. It's like our own little built-in life preserver, right? When things get excited or we start to get a little stormy, right? It's always there for us to count on, to recall, to use how we need. So just remember that throughout your practice. If you start to drift off, just come back to the breath. Notice the breath, how it comes in and out of the body. And also notice where it comes in and out of the body. How else does your breath manipulate and change your body? How else does it affect you? Just really start to build that relationship with the breath. On your next inhale, I want you to think of all these amazing things that the breath does for you and how it carries you through your life. So inhale, take it all in, reflect, and then exhale, send it out, right? Allow it to fill your body and the space around you. Keep breathing in like this, filling yourself up with feelings of thanks, gratitude, appreciation, remembrance. And exhale, just allow it to spread and move about the space that you're in. If there are other words or ways that you'd like to describe the breath or how you feel, or maybe there's somewhere else you want to send these feelings to, by all means, bring that into your practice. Watch yourself breathe in and out. Check in with yourself about how you feel now versus a few moments ago when we started. Are there any other things that cause you to have this feeling of gratitude and fulfillment? Maybe it's an experience that you had, or a person in your life. Maybe it's a skill that you're capable of. Or maybe it's just something simple like the color of the sky. Whatever that thing or those things are, I want you to carry that in and out with your breath. And continue to send and spread those warm wishes to other objects and people around you. You are an endless well of love and appreciation. You are an endless well of goodness and gratitude. All of these things dwell deep inside of you. And thank yourself for taking this time to look through and reflect on that. Think of the air that you breathe as a breeze just blowing past you, blowing these seeds of love and gratitude out to the world around you. I invite you to look throughout your day to see where all these seeds have now grown and blossomed, and how this gratitude has come back to you. On your next inhale, breathe in a little bit deeper, a little bit fuller. And on your exhale, make this breath longer and audible out through the mouth. Take 2 more breaths like this. And then return to your normal rhythm of breathing. Go ahead and place your hands on your body and just take this extra moment to just relish in this gratitude, relish in this acknowledgement of you in this present moment. And then when you're ready, go ahead and open up your eyes. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me. I'm so grateful to be here and share this with you. If you have any comments, questions, feedback, I would love to hear from you. They would too. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.